So one of the biggest benefits of having Chase Ultimate Reward Points is that you can transfer these points to travel partners. But one thing a lot of people don't know is that sometimes these travel partners will offer bonuses. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's go up here and click on Earn Use, and then we'll go over and click on Transfer to Travel Partners. And what you're gonna see here is a list of all of Chase's travel partners. So here's a list of the airlines, and here's a list of the hotels. But this section right here that says bonus offers, this could be the sweet spot if you're looking to transfer your points. Because as you can see, these transfer partners are offering 30 to 50% bonuses on your transfers. As you can see here, Aer Lingus is offering a 30% bonus, British Airways is offering a 30% bonus, Iberia Airlines is offering a 30% bonus, and Marriott is offering a 50% bonus. So under normal circumstances, your Chase Ultimate Reward Points transfer to travel partners at a 1-to-1 ratio. So if I were to transfer 10,000 points to Aer Lingus, I would get 10,000 Aer Lingus miles. But now that they're offering a 30% bonus, I can transfer 10,000 Chase Ultimate Reward Points and get 13,000 Aer Lingus miles. And the same goes for British Airways and Iberia Airlines. And right now, Marriott is offering a 50% bonus. So if I were to transfer 10,000 Chase Ultimate Reward Points over to Marriott, I would get 15,000 Marriott points. Now, just because these transfer partners are offering bonus points doesn't mean it necessarily makes sense to transfer to these partners. You'll still have to do some research and homework and run the numbers. But if you know that you always end up transferring your Chase points to British Airways, right now might not be a bad time to do it. Financial knowledge is power. Please like and follow for more.